Ayan, kantang ko rin ha.
So, for this video my friend, retrassemble fixtures na polyurethane. And we need to pull up the parts of the turning line. So this is our so my friend, this is our arms. This is our back race. This is my friend, our arms, and this with raw plastic, polypropylene material. So this is the first side. This one, my friend, is my friend. This is our black plastic or the hydro. So this is post cover, my friend. So this one, my friend, is Starbiz, and this is the nylon Starbiz, my friend. Then so this one, my friend, we call it casta. This is nylon material. So I need to put it here, my friend, and start this like this.
Pila ka buhok, ma'am? Upat. Upat ka buhok? Oo. Buka po sa gato. Ayun na ako.
After we finish this one, we put the caster. Next, my friend, is this one. This is what we call the gas tip. This one is the hydraulic. Function of this, my friend, is the up and down of the chair. This, my friend. And then we have also here, my friend, hose cover. Then we need to wash it. Is it aside seat? Okay. Then, my friend, so we need to lock the bolt, my friend, so in order to secure the designated unit. So the bolt, my friend, is all of this is 20 mm, so never to worry. So let's go, my friend. So this is the citrus, my friend, and the material of this is PVC, my friend. Look. So this portion, my friend, is the front. And then we need to install the this one, my friend. this one, my friend, is the mechanism, or call it gas leak. So here, my friends, you can see here, my friend, this is a NAM. So you can adjust here, my friend, your chair, either you tilt or tilting. This one is a function, is the tilting, my friend. So if you want to tilt, my friend, you need to tighten this one and loosen. So the position, my friend, is go like this. And then you need 4 volts, my friend, like this. And then, my friend, you need to tighten the bolt. Hmm? Then, my friend, this one, the arm. So the arm, my friend, the position is like this. Here. This portion is the front and this portion is the back. So like this, my friend. Like that only. Then you to bolt. So like that, my friend. And also here, my friend. So we need to tighten later, like this. Okay. So next, my friend, the right side. This. So like this, my friend, the position. So this portion, holes is for the back. Like that, my friend. So this is very simple to assemble, my friend, office chairs. Okay. Next, my friend, is the backrest. Like this. So next, my friend, you need to tighten this first. Next, my friend, we're going to connect the backrest. So this is, my friend. So this is our backrest. So this is the design, my friend, of our backrest. This is PVC, my friend. Fully vinyl chloride material is design. So it's the back, it's the front, and then you need to go like this. Like that, my friend. So here, my friend, there's 2 holes for 2 peanut installed and for the backrest. So like this only, my friend. So we need first this one. need to like this, pull it up like that. Here's another one, my friend. So we need to lift up this one like that. And then here, like that. Then the bolt. Okay. And then the other side. Then the screw.
Goy. Kanina yung tirahe di una.
And other one. That. Then we need to tighten all the bolt, my friend. So ito na, my friend. Medyo tighten. Here. So we need to tighten the bolt. That. Yeah. Then my friend, this one is the cover here. This one. Yep.
Hapit na bali ni Gugoy. Jinso na ko sir.
Ha? So the smooth hammer. Nice. Other side. Here. So it's very hard to look my friend. So now it's done, my friend.
Oh, na.
So overall, my friend, these are finished assembled. This one here, like this.
Ako lipat ko lang sa UCB lang mo nang using system na. Amin na din.